Let's analyze a workplace safety scenario and determine the least appropriate response. Here's the situation. A team member left their work area disorganized and unsafe before going home. You cleaned it up to prevent any accidents. The next day, you see them again. What would be the least appropriate way to handle this situation? Let's examine our four possible responses. Option 1. Say nothing because the problem has been fixed. Option 2. Inform them you fixed their area and notify your leader. Option 3. Remind them about safety and cleaning procedures. Option 4. Tell them you're reporting them to leadership. Let's analyze why saying nothing is the least appropriate response. First, safety issues must be addressed directly to prevent future incidents. Second, silence enables unsafe behavior to continue. Third, the team member needs feedback to improve. Fourth, not addressing it fails to promote accountability. And fifth, the problem is likely to happen again if not discussed. Let's look at why the other options are more appropriate. Informing them and notifying leadership creates proper documentation and ensures oversight. Reminding them about safety procedures helps prevent future incidents through education. And while immediate reporting to leadership might seem harsh, it still addresses the issue and creates accountability. In conclusion, while saying nothing might avoid confrontation, it fails to address the core safety issue and doesn't help prevent future incidents. The best approaches involve direct communication, proper documentation, and ensuring accountability.